हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं एस के वर्मा, गवर्नमेंट डूंगर कॉलेज बीकानेर। और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं आइसोमेरिज्म, जो कि बीएससी पार्ट फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर नंबर 1। सबसे पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि हम लोग क्या डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। आज हम टाइप ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म, जिसमें स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म, स्टीरियो आइसोमेरिज्म, जियोमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म डिस्कस करेंगे। आइसोमेरिज्म होती क्या है? लेट अस understand what is isomerism. When two compounds, they have same molecular formula but they have different physical and chemical properties, then the relationship between them is isomerism. It means we call them isomer of each other. Like for an example, two molecules are there, ethanol and another is dimethyl ether. They have same molecular formula, but one is alcohol, having the properties of alcohol which are quite different than the ether. It means their chemical properties are different, as well as we can see that their boiling points are also different. It means they have different physical and chemical property but follows the same molecular formula, hence they are isomer of each other. Types of isomer, there are two main types. One is structural, or also known as constitutional. The another one is stereoisomerism. The first one is structural or constitutional isomerism. It means the isomers which have different molecular structure, or we can say different bonding arrangement. It means some molecules are there, they have same molecular formula but different molecular structure. Such these are known as structural or constitutional isomerism. So this is a simple basic chart of for showing types of different types of isomers, structural and stereoisomerism, and then there are few more types under subtypes under structural isomerism. And stereoisomers are also divided into two categories, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Let us understand about each term and each type. Example of structural or constitutional isomerism. Again, we can take the example of ethanol and dimethyl ether. It was the we have discussed previously as an example of isomers. It is also an example of structural isomerism. We can see in this example both these compounds have same number of carbon, same number of hydrogen, same number of oxygen, but the bonding arrangement of these atoms to form the molecule is different. That is why they have different structure, and different structure results into different chemical and physical properties. Second example is about C3H6 molecular formula. Two isomers are there, propene and cyclopropane. Same number of all the atoms, carbon and hydrogens, but different structure that leads to the different properties. The second type is stereoisomerism. So isomers which have same structure but have different arrangement of atoms, or we can say groups in space. It means here the structure is also same, molecular formula is same, structure formula is same, but what is different, that is the spatial arrangement of the groups is different. That is known as stereoisomerism. In the example of stereoisomerism, we can see that in 2-butene both these methyl groups are on the same side of double bond, and in trans 2-butene both these methyl groups are on different side of double bonds. That's why these two are geometrical isomerism. Also they are stereoisomer of each other. Now the type of structural isomerism. The first one is chain. In chain isomerism, they have same molecular formula but different number of carbon atoms in the parent chain. Positional isomerism, same number in these the functional group is situated at different positions in the isomers. Functional group isomer, in this type of isomer the functional group is different between these two, that like an example we have discussed of dimethyl ether and ethanols. Both these have different functional groups, so they are functional group isomer of each other. So it is about chain isomer. They have different chemical properties, physical properties, boiling properties. It is because of the different chain, main carbon chain is different. Positional isomer, in these the position of functional group is different. We can see in the example of pentene. In pent 1-ene and in pent 2-ene, the position of double bond is different. So these are positional isomer of each other. Now another example of positional isomer are ortho, meta and para derivatives of the benzene. Same molecular formula but different position of functional groups. Now functional group, we have discussed one example of alcohol and ether. Another one is aldehyde and ketones. When they have same molecular formula, they follows the type of isomerism is functional group isomerism because they have different functional group. The third example is acids and esters. So it is the first example we have discussed. It is the aldehyde and ketones, propanol and propanone. They have same molecular formula, different functional group, aldehyde and ketone. So that functional group isomerism, chain isomerism, butane to methyl propane, different chain, that's why chain isomerism. Another example of functional group isomerism is carboxylic acid and esters. Now stereoisomerism, we know that molecules that have same molecular formula but have different spatial arrangement of atoms or groups are known as stereoisomerism. Two types are there: geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism. In the geometrical isomerism, two forms are there: cis and trans. In trans, the same group are situated on opposite sides. In cis, these groups are situated on same side of the double bond. So it is and these are not interconvertible because of the restricted rotation of carbon-carbon double bond. So but it is not the situation in ethane or the single, when there is a single bond between two carbon atoms, because one carbon atom can rotate with respect to the other. So it is the animation showing the restricted rotation. That is why cis cannot be converted into trans. That's why these are two different compounds, so called geometrical isomerism. So what is the condition of geometrical isomerism? Geometrical isomerism, the condition is A is equal to A should not be equal to B. What's A and B? These are two substituent present on the carbon atoms bonded with the double bond. So this is the isomerism in butane. In butene, so cis and trans butenes are example for geometrical isomerism. All this was to submit the assignment for the FDP conducted by Punjab University, Kalem, and also what should I call it, sponsored by MHRD under the PMMNT scheme. Thank you organizers. Thank you once and all.